Learn English and translate to Arabic. Colors. Red. The apple is red. The fire truck is red. The heart is red. Blue. The sky is blue. The ocean is blue. The jeans are blue. Yellow. The sunflower is yellow. The banana is yellow. The school bus is yellow. Green. The grass is green. The frog is green. The tree is green. Orange. The orange is orange. The pumpkin is orange. Purple. The grapes are purple. The butterfly has purple wings. Pink. The flower is pink. The flamingo is pink. Brown. The bear is brown. The chocolate is brown. The soil is brown. Black. The night is black. White. The cloud is white. The snow is white. The swan is white.